In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Siteground business email to your Gmail account. This integration process only takes about 5 minutes and it's a fantastic way to manage all your emails in one place seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head on over to Siteground's main website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button. Click on that to enter your credentials. This step is crucial as it will give you access to your account panel where you'll be doing all the configuration. After logging in, navigate to your Siteground account dashboard. This is where all your account management tools are located. Once you're in, look for the option labelled Site Tools and give that a click. This is the gateway to all the specific site utilities you'll need for this process. Now that you're in the Site Tools area, the next step is to manage your email settings. So find and click on the Email tab. Once inside the email section, you'll see various options related to email management. Focus on the Accounts option and click on it. This is where you'll create and manage your email accounts. It's now time to create a new email account if you don't already have one set up. Locate the Create New Email Account button and click on it. Fill in the necessary details like your desired email address and set a strong password. This email address is what you will connect to your Gmail account. Now that your new email account is set up, it's time to configure the connection with Gmail. In your Gmail account, head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon, usually found at the top right corner. From there, navigate to See All Settings to open up more options. Within the settings, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where we will add your Siteground email. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter the Siteground email address you've just created. After entering your email, Gmail will guide you through a series of steps to configure your connection. You'll need to enter your Siteground email credentials and possibly adjust some server settings. Typically, you'll need the incoming server details like POP server information, which is often readily available in your Siteground account settings under the email section. Once all the correct details are inputted, save your settings. If everything is done correctly, your Siteground business email should now be accessible through your Gmail account, seamlessly integrating all your incoming mail into one convenient location. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Siteground business email to your Gmail account. This connection allows you to manage your business communications more efficiently by centralizing email management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.